Artisanal beverage manufacturing business, Broadmeadow, New South Wales. Well known in the local community, Serious Deliria is seeking new owners who can dedicate more time to unlock its full potential. Launched by the owners 8 years ago, the business specialises in artisanal beverage manufacturing. The business is located on a busy street corner with ample parking and seating for customers. The trendy standalone premises are currently undergoing a DA application for coffee roasting and a shop. The main focus with no local competition is cold brew coffee with nitrogenated drinks and boutique syrups. Serious Deliria supplies a range of wholesalers as well as selling products at a very busy local farmers market. The sale includes a rare and instantly recognisable food van, namely an International Harvester C-Line truck. Boost revenue immediately by expanding the wholesale market and targeting the wedding sector with nitrogenated cocktails. You could also develop high-quality products for supermarket shelves, challenging the substandard offerings from major retailers. Catering to cafes with a special cold brew coffee bean blend and providing training and equipment could also be lucrative.